When you think of MSI, the first thing to pop into your head might be motherboards, GPUs, or laptops. Of course, they also make some really impressive monitors, like this 49-inch QD OLED ultrawide that I have right here. This thing is crazy. But let's say you want to mount your shiny new MSI monitor. No disrespect to this beautiful stand, but by mounting your monitor, you can free up a ton of desk space and have more control over the placement of your display. Now, there are a ton of monitor mount brands out there, so you might have a hard time picking which one to go with. Well, MSI is making it really easy for you because they just came out with a bunch of monitor arms that are perfect for any setup. And today, we're going to check them all out. But before we do, huge thank you to MSI for sponsoring this video because without them, this video wouldn't be possible. So we have 5 monitor arms to go over, and I'll have timestamps down below if there's a specific one you want to check out. But first, there's a few shared features that apply to all of them, so let's go over them really quickly. First off, they all come nicely packaged in similar boxes, protected with cardboard and plastic, so you won't have to worry about them getting dinged during shipment. Now, I'm not going to go in depth with how to assemble all these monitor arms, but as long as you just follow the instructions, you're going to be fine. They're super simple to put together. See? It's basically like following IKEA instructions, except these actually make sense. All of these mounts come with a clamp mount and a grommet mount mounting solution, so you can choose how you want to install them to your desk. The clamp mount method is probably the most common. The mount will just slide easily onto the back of your desk, and then you tighten it down either by hand or with the provided Allen wrench. But if your desk has pre-drilled holes, you can go with the grommet mount method for a really seamless look. Or if you're feeling up to it, you can even drill a hole into your desk to get the same results. Either way though, both mounting solutions come with all these mounts, so you can choose whichever one you want. Also worth mentioning, the VESA plates that come with all these monitor mounts should fit most monitors. They all support 75 by 75 and 100 by 100 mounting options, so before you pick one of these up, just double check to make sure that your monitor is actually compatible with them. Alright, now let's actually take a look at these monitor mounts. Starting off with the MSI Pro MT81D. This is the most affordable option of the offerings, and it comes in at just $49.99. Like the name suggests, this arm fits into the professional lineup from MSI. It's definitely geared more towards the work from home setup type of vibe. But honestly, I feel like if you just want a more minimal aesthetic, this can fit on any desk setup. It has a lightweight construction and supports monitors from 17 to 32 inches, up to 17.6 pounds per screen. Mounting your monitors is easy thanks to the VESA quick release plate. You just screw this plate onto the back of your monitor, hook your monitor and VESA plate combo to the monitor arm, and this thumb screw will ensure that they aren't going anywhere. Now, even though this is the cheapest option, you're still going to get full motion over your monitors to really allow you to orient them however you want. Both monitor arms are connected to this one piece of aluminum here, so you can adjust the height of them at the same time to be anywhere along this pole. You can have the monitors side by side, or even place one horizontal and one vertical with no problem whatsoever. There's a little integrated cable management tray under the bottom here, and honestly, I feel like for under 50 bucks, this is a fantastic monitor mount. It's a great option if you want to free up some desk space without breaking the bank. Okay, now moving on to the MAG and MPG arms. But first off, quick little MSI lesson. So MAG stands for MSI Arsenal Gaming, while MPG stands for MSI Performance Gaming. I always wondered what those acronyms stood for, so now you know. But where this comes in handy is how you can tell the difference between the two models just purely based off of their names. So the MPG arms feature RGB lighting with over 20 plus modes of RGB that are controlled with this button, and they have that gamer aesthetic going for them with that silver and black dual tone color and the little like mech space themed decals that are all spread throughout. Now as far as the RGB modes go, you're going to have your standard, color shifts and static colors, and I'd probably say my favorite is just the static white RGB. I just think it looks really clean. And if you're not in an RGB mood, don't worry because you can just simply turn it off by holding down the button for 3 seconds. Now, if the MPG arms are a little bit too flashy for you, the MAG arms definitely have a more tame appearance. Also, the naming conventions give away which arm is which. So for example, the RGB arms have R at the end of the model number. MAG MT201, MAG MT201R. No RGB. All of these arms have integrated cable management, so they'll keep your cables nice and hidden, and they all use the same VESA quick release plate design. After attaching the plate to your monitors, all you have to do is throw the entire assembly on the monitor arm and simply screw the thumb screw in. That's pretty secure. I know what you're thinking. Dan, they're wobbling everywhere. That's my table. That's this desk. These arms aren't budging at all. That's awesome. Now, one more difference between these two lines is the mechanism that actually holds the monitors up. The MPG line uses gas springs, while the MAG series uses spring arms. To some, that might be a deciding factor for which arm you decide to go with, but just know that adjusting your monitors on either of these mounts is super easy. So after using these mounts for the past few days, I've found that the biggest difference between these two mechanics is when you go to lift up the monitor mount, right? So with the MPG arms, because it has this gas spring, it kind of like assists as you go to lift up. Like, see how easy that was? But, I wouldn't say that this is like a deciding factor for which mount you should go for unless you're moving your monitors a lot every day. Either way, you're going to be able to adjust your monitors and put them exactly where you want them. Speaking of adjusting, to adjust the tension on any of these monitors, you're just going to use the included Allen wrench to increase or decrease the tension right here. So even though these monitors use different mechanisms for actually holding up your displays, they're all rated to hold up to 44 pounds. Meaning, if you were to pick up the MSI 41 CQP QD OLED, either of these monitor arms is going to be perfect for holding up such a crazy beast. For context, this monitor weighs 17.85 pounds. And again, I just want to reiterate that these monitor arms can hold up to 44 pounds each. So you definitely have a little wiggle room there. When it comes to adjustability, you'll be able to move your monitor pretty much anywhere you see fit.
I have no idea why you'd ever want this, but it's a pretty cool party trick, you gotta admit.
Of course, these arms aren't only limited to the 49-inch we were just checking out. Like, if you have a smaller monitor and prefer working on a single monitor setup, these arms are definitely going to deliver. Both of these arms support screen sizes from 17 inches all the way up to 49 inches. So let's talk price. The MAG MT201 retails for $119.99, and the MPG MT201R will cost you just $10 more at $129.99. I don't know, if it was me, I'd go for this guy. I'm a sucker for RGB. All right, moving on to the dual arm versions. So you'll notice that the names between the single arm and dual arm versions are really similar. So you had the MT201, and then this is the MT201D, for example. So the thing to look out for is just that extra D at the end of the product name. D stands for dual. So both of these dual arms support max screen sizes from 17 to 35 inches with a max capacity of, again, 44 pounds per screen.
Meaning these monitor mounts can support up to 88 pounds of monitors.
I'm just trying to imagine 88 pounds of monitors. So in terms of adjustability, these offer the same exact range of motion that the single arm variant offers, just this time we have another arm.
Okay, this would be a pretty sweet setup. Like, imagine your gameplay here, right? And then Twitch chat and OBS over here. Yeah, that OP. Super OP, but it would be super cool.
So the MAG MT201D goes for $149.99, and just like the single arm version, for just $10 more, you can get the MPG MT201DR for $159.99. So there we have it, 5 different monitor mount options ranging from the MT81D coming in at $49.99 all the way up to the premium MT201DR at $159.99. Honestly, I think any one of these monitor mounts is going to be fantastic for lifting up your monitors off of your desk, giving you some more space and the flexibility to really put your monitors exactly where you want them. If you want to learn more, I'm going to have the links all listed down below, going to the product pages to each of these individual monitors so you can check them out. Again, huge thank you to MSI for sending over these monitor arms for me to review, as well as the monitors for me to demo the actual monitor mounts themselves. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh man, this would be such a crazy desk setup. Can you imagine? 8 monitors on one desk. Mega desk.